Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating interference and confirming hardware capability. First, check that both phone and client support Bluetooth 4.0 or newer because newer stack features improve throughput. Once done, disable Wi-Fi and any extra Bluetooth peripherals that create radio noise. This frees the link and lowers retransmits. Make sure the tethering device operates as the master and keep devices within 5 to 10 meters with clear line of sight, so the radio can maintain higher modulation rates. Next, switch to the correct software paths and tune network stacks. Choose the PAN or network tethering profile instead of legacy serial or OBEX profiles because PAN supports higher sustained throughput. Then adjust MTU and TCP window sizes on the client so packets are larger and fewer, reducing header overhead and retransmission cost. Also perform a quick channel scan to avoid heavy 2.4 GHz interference. If possible, move away from crowded channels or relocate devices to improve signal-to-noise ratio and effective throughput. Finish by applying traffic management and maintenance steps to lock in gains. Enable any co-S or app prioritization on the tether source so interactive traffic gets precedence over bulk transfers. This keeps latency down. Make sure both devices run current Bluetooth firmware and drivers, then reboot to apply changes because stacks often clear state that harms performance. If throughput falls unexpectedly, toggle Bluetooth off and on and repair the devices first. This simple reset resolves many timing and negotiation issues before moving to deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.